Very good morning to all of you. I will presenting our study on late probing for.
Sir, into the mic, please. You're not audible. No, it's on.
I will presenting my study on late probing for congenital nasolacrimal duct obstruction. I have no financial interest to disclose. Congenital nasolacrimal duct obstruction is a common abnormality affecting up to 20% of infant. It presents with watering and discharge starting few days after birth, and site of obstruction is inferior portion of the NLD. The management is first is lacrimal sac massage, which is very successful, around 90% of cases. If it fails, then one can go for the NLD probing. It can be done at 1 year of age under GA, and cure rate is around 90%. Some people prefer to do at 6 to 7 months under topical anesthesia to avoid hospitalization. And it can be done at later stage with a variable success rate. If probing fails, then one can go for DCR. So the purpose of study was to evaluate the outcome of late probing for congenital NLD obstruction. It was a retrospective study between January 11 to December 22, and medical record of all the patients who has undergone probing during the study period were reviewed. Inclusion criteria were initial probing between 2 and 5 years. It was by single surgeon, single technique, and minimum follow-up for 1 month. The patient with history of acute dacrocystitis, punctal or canaliculi abnormality, history of probing in the past, or follow-up less than 1 month were excluded from the study. The technique was simple, uniform protocol under general anesthesia, and it was done through upper puncta. After punctum dilator, Bowman probe was used to open the block in lacrimal duct. And after probing, steroid antibiotic eye drops were prescribed for 3 times a day for 1 month. The total was 325 patients during the study period. Out of that, 185 were between 2 and 5 years. And with the inclusion-exclusion criteria, there were 96 eyes of 72% eligible for the study. 48 children were in unilateral problem, 24 has bilateral, 54% male, 46 females. Mean age at the time of probing was 36 months, and mean follow-up was 22 months. The procedure was considered to be successful if epiphora and discharge was resolved within 1 month of the probing. In our study, the success rate was 84.4%, and 15%, that is 15.6, that is 15% which failed. Out of that, 6% were those who were the primary probing was successful, but still they failed. So these patients underwent repeat probing and intubation, and the 9 patients where the first probing itself was there was obstruction at NLD level, so they were directly subjected to the DCR. The probing is a standard treatment for any congenital nasolacrimal duct obstruction if the lacrimal sac massage fails. Cure rate in older children is controversial, and success rate decreases by increasing probably because of chronic infection and fibrosis. Self-selection of process where the simpler cases get cured and complicated cases remains uncured. Various authors have done the similar studies in older patients and reported the various success rate ranging from 42 to 72%. In our study, it was better, 84%. Therefore, we conclude that late probing between 2 and 5 years is effective with good success rate. Probing should be attempted in older children prior to going for complex procedure like intubation or DCR. Thank you very much.
Thank you.